Hello everyone. Today we're gonna discuss how to grip a cricket bat.
About what the details of the bat. This is we call handle, spine, and this is called the front face of the bat, blades, and again on coming to the face, bottom, and this is called sweet spot. So guys, we'll discuss about like what are the types of grips we usually cricketers usually grip. So first thing is normal grip. So we do a V along the spine of the bat, and the same V onto the left hand. Okay, this is usually happens usually, and this is the normal grip. Okay, and I'll show you. This is how I grip from the side on. Okay. So now I'll show you about close grip, what usually it looks like. So close grip is nothing but usually you hold your hands very close towards, and there's no much gap between the fingers. Okay, that is where usually you'll find Ricky Ponting, a best example of close grip. Okay, so this is where it goes inside on. See, the gap between these between two hands is very less. This is what the close grip is about. Now I'll show you about like wide grip. So usually it is very edge of the handle. The top handle is there, right? Top hand is where opposite of the close grip or top side of the bat. So this is how they hold, and I'll show you from the side. There's a lot of gap here, and this grip is mostly, I think, Kevin Peterson is the best example that he holds there, and most of the sloggers usually. So guys, we have discussed about like how to grip a bat. Now we know how to grip a bat now. So another important aspect or the key point that I usually feel is like resting the top hand. If you are a right hand batsman, top hand, and resting of your bat onto your palm. So most people usually, or I observe few people, so they rest onto the outward, onto the palm, or inward. So this doesn't give you a proper control of the bat while you making shots. So what I feel is like resting and locking. Another important aspect is locking your wrist. You shouldn't do like this. You shouldn't unlock your wrist while playing shots, like, and resting and locking. These are the very important aspect of the gripping. So usually I do grip, drives, okay, and square cuts, pulls. So no, front time. So these are the important aspect where it gives you a good control over any shot that which is like resting on the palm and locking. Okay. So this is how. Okay. Drive, cut, pull. Okay. If we'll just see how if the grip is not according to the properly not resting onto the palm. Okay. Okay. It's not good. It's not good. The power is not transferring properly. Not good. And the same way other thing. Okay. Not good. Not good. Not good. Okay, you're not getting that proper extension. And another important aspect is unlocking your wrist. While you drive, most people usually face this. Unlock, grip, unlock. So your chances of playing into the air are more, and the generation of power, the weight transfer will not happen if you don't lock your wrist. If you do unlock your wrist, the weight transfer is not there. Your right hand comes into dominance and it will play into the air. So exercise for this is like hanging ball with single hand. Just do, okay, sideways, hanging ball with the wrist locked, and this also improves your bat swing. So now very good point on where batters we usually use is like soft hand. The bottom hand has to be soft in approach towards gripping the bat. Okay, this one. If you are a right hander, firm and very soft. Okay, while you are playing quicks, most importantly for quicks, because the ball usually comes harder at you. So only the way, like, you need to have a good control on your left hand and only just support soft, and you just time the ball. Don't hit the ball. In terms, if you are a middle order batsman or you are playing down slog overs, you can use the right to hit long shots, to sixers or those kind of shots, all into long gaps and all. You can take support of right hand, but most players have that top hand dominant, and this has a very soft grip. Okay, and running down the like snatching the singles, this has to be very soft. The right hand has to be soft, and left-handers, it's all opposite of the right, what I say. So right hand very firm, left hand soft. Okay, now I'll tell you how to strengthen your basic exercise for the beginners. How do we strengthen our like hand, wrist, not using the dumbbells and all, for the beginners, very beginners. So since you have a bat, hold it, keep your elbow straight and lift with your wrist. Okay, I'll show you from side on, or I'll show you from here. Do it slow, maintain that weight throughout the up and down. I mean, like while doing the exercise, maintain that weight pressure onto your hands. This is front, and hold the bat like this. Okay, same thing. Okay, hope that things are very clear. That we discussed will be very helpful to you guys. If you have anything, just comment down below. Okay, chalo. See you guys. Bye.